Hi, my name is Muhammad Ayaz and I am from MS Electricals. We have developed Excel sheet for the calculation of busbar. Here we are showing you an Excel sheet for the calculation of the busbar. This sheet is the main sheet for the calculation of the busbar. This is the introduction, and for introduction we have to sort it in this format. In this format we are using material used for the busbar, current density, multiplying factor for channels. Suppose we are using aluminium 0.8 square mm, and here material used for the busbar are aluminium 0.8 square mm current density, aluminium 1 square mm density, copper 1.6 square mm density, aluminium which have greater than 1 square mm current density, and copper. Current density are changed accordingly. Suppose we are using 1, then 1, aluminium is 1, and for copper 1.6, then 1.6. Multiplying factor is also changed accordingly. If we are using aluminium, then this is 0.0027, and if we are using copper, then it must be 0.009. Multiplying factor for channels. Here we have to add current capacity of a breaker. Here we are using 500 ampere, 60 ampere, 250 ampere, 400 ampere breaker, and accordingly we are getting, if we are using aluminium 0.8 square current density, then we are getting 505 material capacity of current is 625. Length of a busbar, suppose we are using 2 meter. Number of faces, in number of faces we have 1, 3, 3.5 and 4. Suppose we are using 3.5. And the number of feeders are working and standby, and the total number of feeders. Weight of a busbar is calculated accordingly. Here you can select a size of a busbar. Suppose we are using 38, then there is a dash in the second column, because we can't get a ampere. Okay, and suppose we are using 60, then there is a 10. Okay, 60 by 10. 480 is the actual control in a busbar, and the difference is minus 20. Suppose in income rating, suppose we are using circuit breaker. We are not using any kind of circuit breaker, then there is nothing. Suppose we are using one as a circuit breaker. Here we have two ratings for the circuit breaker, for rating, for actual rating, and for higher rating. Suppose we are using circuit breaker 1, so we are getting 1250 ampere, and the length of busbar is 5 meter, and 3.5 is the number of faces. Number of feeders is 1. Okay, and the weight of a busbar is 73.85. Earth busbar, in earth busbar we also have aluminium 1 square mm, copper, aluminium greater than 1, copper, and Gi. Suppose we are using Gi have a current density of 1 ampere per square mm. Okay, and the total of this busbar is 106.65. Additional we have to use 5%, and total weight of the busbar is 112 kg. The busbar labor we are using for panel busbar and earth busbar, and the busbar we are using, suppose we are using aluminium busbar, copper busbar, and Gi busbar, we have here material rate, labor rate, and the total rate of a busbar is here we are getting. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to purchase this video, then contact me on 9662540881, and you can also email me on mselectricals@yahoo.com. Thank you very much for watching this video.